Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to add watch list in your TradingView in desktop and mobile application. So firstly you can simple go to your TradingView homepage. After that here you will see in a sidebar the product section. Once you tap on it, here you will see a screener. Once you tap on the screener, here you will see all the stock that are listed. Okay, then after here you can select your stock which one you want to watch list. Like I am watch listing the AM80, so simple right click on it and now click on AM80 to watch list and then check the watch list. Okay, so I already watch list many items, so that's why here my watch list will be filled up completely. Okay, so you can simple right click on it and then tap on it to easily watch list your product, sorry, your stocks. If I clear my watch list, then nothing will be found here, like this. Now I am able to add a new watch list. Here you will see once I remove it, tap on it and then add. Done. Okay. So for mobile view users, you will see here in your mobile application a plus icon in your home screen in the top right corner. You can simple press it. Then after here you will see all the stocks, or you can go to search bar to find. And then at the right side of your stock, here you will see a plus icon. Once you tap on it, here you will see your your stock will be added to watch list. So here is how you can easily do it.